Phil Spencer, the household chef, and tonight we're going to be making air fryer chicken strips. So many different types of seasoning combinations you can use. These are just a few suggestions I have. Blackened seasoning, shawarma, piri piri, even salt, pepper, and some garlic powder would be awesome. What I'm showing here is how important it is to get these chicken thighs dried out. So make sure they're very dry and also coming up to room temperature. We're adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This is going to help dry out the chicken and allow it to get very crispy in that air fryer. I've trimmed off a bit of the excess fat. Now I'm cutting the chicken thighs into about 1-inch wide strips and placing them in a bowl. Coat these chicken strips well with the cornstarch and baking powder mixture. It's going to really help the outcome for a nice crispy finish. So I'm preheating the air fryer to 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. That's just to preheat it. And we're going to take a non-stick cooking spray. I prefer canola oil or vegetable oil or a very light olive oil because they have very high smoke points. And then we're going to spray the chicken with it and make sure it's well covered. I covered my chicken strips very well in my seasoning mix. Now it's time to spray the inside of the air fryer with that non-stick spray. It's very important to get all parts of that air fryer coated in the spray. Now it's time to put the chicken strips into the air fryer, and it's okay if they overlap because at the 10-minute mark we're going to pull it out and shake and give it a good toss. So we've given them a good shake and now we're putting them back in. We have 10 minutes remaining, but actually after 5 minutes, I'm going to check them every minute thereafter actually for the doneness and crispiness that we're looking for. They may be done at 15 minutes, they might be done at 16. Quick and easy, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.